Now we are going to create the Azure function that will work as a proxy. So here I'm going to look for Azure function. This time we are going to create the Azure function from the portal, not like the last time we have created from Visual Studio. So let's look here for function, and we'll see that we have function app. Let's create. Here we are going to call it proxy to do tasks. Okay, as you can see here, we are seeing the tasks proxy that we are going to create, and here we can choose whatever version that we are going to use. One thing is I'm going to put it in the same location, which is West Europe here, and I'm going to create. And one more thing, we need to choose runtime, and I will keep it like that, .NET version 3.1. Let's wait till our application being created. Okay, here our application have been created, and I'm going to see the Azure function that we have created. Okay, it's being created, not ready yet. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Okay, now it's being created. Go to source. Here the application. So we are going to practice, as you can see it here on my left under functions, and here we are going to create a new one, and we are going to click on add. So this will be the proxy to proxy tasks, and here the allowed method. Here I am going to allow only post methods for this one, and the backend is going to be the backend for our tasks, which will be the one that we have created earlier, which is the Azure function, this one, and we will post it right here. Cool. So here we have add the link for the add, which is the post method, and we are going to add a couple of other methods here. One to redirect to get from the API to this link, and one for put for this link too. So let me do a couple of changes. Okay, as you can see here, I have created the first proxy, but we are going to add this in order to add the other methods. For that, I'm going to click here on Advanced Editor, which will direct me to the proxies.json file that is here in Azure. So I'm going to add this in order to add the root for the post method, for the get method, and for the put method. As you can see here, each proxy task have a match condition and a method that is allowed for it, and the URI. So let's add the other URIs. So as you can see here, I finished editing my file. So what will the proxy application or function do? If I receive requests for post method, it will redirect me to this backend URI, which will be the Azure function that we have created. Else, if I have a get method, it will redirect me to this link, and if I have get or delete or put method, it will direct me to this link too. So we need to save this. It's saved right now. Okay, great. Now we should go back here and get the proxy URL. You need to copy this and save it, because we are going to replace it inside. Let's go back to our solution. Let's go to our to do sample. Inside the client application, we are going to the API URL, and we are going to change this link with the proxy link and click save. Okay, cool. Right now we only have to do some tests. Great. Let's start testing our application then, and later we are going to push this to Azure and test it online.